Prioritize cash flow over appreciation. Chasing skyrocketing property values might sound exciting, but focusing on steady cash flow is a smarter strategy for rental property investors. Cash flow is the income you're left with after paying expenses like mortgage payments, taxes, and maintenance. Properties with positive cash flow provide immediate financial benefits and keep your investment sustainable. Appreciation is unpredictable and depends on factors outside your control, like the overall housing market and local economy. While it's a nice bonus when your property value increases, relying on it as your primary goal can lead to risky investments. When evaluating a property, calculate potential rental income and compare it to expenses. Many investors use the 1% rule, which suggests the monthly rent should be at least 1% of the purchase price. This helps ensure your property generates enough income to cover costs and provide a return. Focusing on cash flow allows you to weather market fluctuations and unexpected expenses without worrying about losing money. It's the key to turning your rental property into a reliable source of passive income.